Welcome to this mini Spanish lesson with Sugar Astronaut. Let's learn something new about Spanish. If you want to watch the complete lesson, you can find a link to it in the video description down below. First meaning of dejar is to leave. To leave people, things, and also a place. This is one of the most basic meanings of the verb dejar. So let's look at an example and let's see how this works. Dejé el libro en la mesa. Dejé el libro en la mesa. This means I left the book on the table. So this is a very basic sentence. You're just saying that you left a book on the table. Now let's break this down. Dejé, that is the verb dejar, conjugated for the subject pronoun yo, I. Yo dejé. Also, it's imperative tense, past tense. You don't need to say yo. You can just say dejé, and that means I left. Okay? Then we have el, the. Libro, book. En, on. La, the. Mesa. Mesa means table. If you leave an object behind, like your book, your keys, your phone, you can use the verb dejar. Now, how about leaving a person? Now, let's look at an example when someone is leaving someone temporarily. You can say, la madre dejó al bebé con la niñera. La madre dejó al bebé con la niñera. This means the mother left the baby with the baby sitter. Okay, so this is another easy example. Let's break it down. La madre means the mother. The mother. Dejó, this is the verb dejar, and it means left. Al is two words, a el, that have to become one. You can't say in Spanish a él, you need to say al. Al means to the, but in this situation, it means the. Bebé, baby. Con, with. La, the. Niñera means babysitter. Excellent. So we see that dejar can be used in this kind of situation as well. When leaving someone temporarily or not. And but you can use it with things and with people. Now, let's look at an example when you can use dejar when you're leaving a place. Dejé la ciudad cuando terminé mis estudios. Dejé la ciudad cuando terminé mis estudios. That means I left the city when I graduated. Okay, dejé la ciudad cuando terminé mis estudios. I left the city when I graduated. Let's break this down. Dejé, that's the verb dejar, the verb that we're learning. Dejé, yo dejé, I left. La ciudad, the city. Cuando, when. Terminé mis estudios. When you say this phrase in Spanish, that means when you graduated. Okay? When someone is done with school. So, yo terminé mis estudios means I graduated. Okay? You don't have to say yo. You can say it, of course, but you don't have to. Terminé is the verb terminar. in Spanish, conjugated of course, and it means to finish. Mis means my, and estudios means studies. But when you say it as a phrase, terminé mis estudios means I graduated. Okay, so that is quite good. Excellent. I want to give a big shout out to our Cafecito members: Christopher Michael, Ruby Brockenberry, Michael Lee, Regulation D, Hanko Juan, Christine Mache, Wadi Bader, Formula Air JSC, Alan K, James Torma, Judy Baldock, Geraldo Sandoval, and also Log Tran. Muchas gracias.